I got something for you, yeah, to tell you. Had a situation with a player. It is Dimitri Payet. He wants to leave. The club, us, as I said so many times before, we don't want to sell him. We said hundreds of times that we don't want to sell our best players. We want to keep them. He is definitely one of them, or our best player. That's why we gave him such a long contract. I informed him with that, and he refused to play for us. So I have a team to manage, and he's probably been tapped up by some clubs or whatever, which is usual in this part of the year or whatever in the transfer window. So anyway, until he changed his attitude, he's out of the team. He ain't gonna train with us, and I expect from him, because we ain't gonna sell him, no whatsoever. It's not the money issue, nothing. We wanna keep our best players, and I expect from him to come back and to show commitment and determination to the team, like the team had shown to him.